In this video, I will share my personal experience with you and how I was able to make a passive income stream with the help of free AI tools. Despite my lack of artistic talent and poor design abilities, I was still able to generate enough passive income from selling text-only designs and images from Canva to cover my monthly expenses. And in this age of artificial intelligence, I'm confident that you can do better than me because anyone can produce stunning artwork just with a simple prompt. The best part is that by using free AI image generators, you can start this online business with $0 investment. In this video, I will first guide you step by step how to choose your niche. After that, I will show you 3 AI image generators that you can use for commercial purposes. And finally, I will show you 9 websites where you can sell your AI-generated art. So let's get straight into it. Print on demand is a modern business model and production technique that make it possible for people and companies to produce and market custom-designed products without the use of keeping inventories. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, books, and other products are only printed and produced when a customer places an order. Printing, production, and shipping are typically handled by an online platform or service. All we have to do is upload our design once, and it will continue making money as long as our account and the website exist. Now you might be thinking, is print on demand profitable? The answer is yes. I'm not saying this based on my personal opinion, but this is what the data shows. For instance, Redbubble, one of the largest print-on-demand companies, has a market cap of more than $240 million. If this company is not profitable, no one will invest their money into this company. Moving forward, let's talk about choosing a suitable niche for your print-on-demand business. The top print-on-demand niches are anime, cats, and games. We can also go to this website and look for trending searches. Now, as you can see, hydro stickers are very popular, but the competition is also very high. It will be hard for us to make daily sales in this niche. Try finding something that has less than 2,000 search results and also lies in the top 100 in terms of popularity. Alternatively, we can use ChatGPT to research evergreen niches using data from the internet. Simply go to ChatGPT and type "list evergreen print-on-demand niches." You can pick one from the results. Now it's time to make the artwork using a free AI tool. The first free AI art generator we will use is Zinva.ai. This AI tool was specially made for making artwork for print-on-demand purposes. Additionally, Zinva AI offers a free plan with 5 image credits each month and allows commercial use of the artwork. After sign up, your dashboard will look like this. This gives you many options to choose the style of your design. For this example, I'm going with the anime t-shirt design. The good thing about this AI tool is that it will automatically add a default prompt for a t-shirt design. Now let's add our own to this prompt and generate an anime girl design. Click the Generate button to start generating your AI art. Depending on our needs, we can download, edit, remove the background, and also create variations. Now let's move to the next free AI art generator. The second AI art generator is GetIMG.ai. This AI tool provides a free plan with 100 image credits each month, and also we can use them commercially. After creating a free account, go to Text to Image. On the left panel, you will find Select Model option. I personally like this tool because it gives tons of different AI models to choose from and makes image generation process much easier. For this example, I'm going to choose Anime Pastel Dream Model and type Anime Girl as a prompt. This tool also allows you to use your image as a reference. And if you are using a reference image, you may use Control-Net. As you can see, there are a lot of options to choose. Selecting each one will give you different results. Choose the image resolution and set the number of image variations you want. Now click Generate. I really like the results. Let's choose the one we like and download. The third free AI tool we are going to use is called Playground AI. This AI image generator is also free to use, and the best part is we can generate 1,000 images per day. And of course, we can use AI generated images for commercial purposes. Sign up for a free account, and once on the dashboard, click on the board option and start by typing the prompt. This AI offers a number of free filters and image styles to choose from. But for now, I will leave it as it is. You may also add a negative prompt if you want. On this panel at the right hand side, there is a bunch of AI models that you may select. Let's go with the Stable Diffusion XL. Choose image resolution. Prompt guidance will affect the resulting image. Higher values will make your image closer to your prompt. There are a number of more options for you to play with, and each time you will get a different result. Let's hit generate and see what we get. I really like this image. Looks really very professional. Now that we have generated our images, let me show you the best marketplaces where you can sell your art. I have been doing print on demand for the past 3 years now, and I have tested almost every print on demand website. Based on my personal experience, I have shortlisted the top 5 print on demand websites that you may try as well. The first website is TeePublic. More than 60% of my print on demand income comes from this website. I have uploaded more than 1100 designs on my store. You may also follow trends on this website to generate even more sales. The search bar will automatically display trending searches. Be sure to research the current trends in your niche before uploading your design. You can pick one from the top lists and search results that are similar to your artwork. To make your product appear higher in the search results, replicate their product tags and titles. The second website to sell your AI art is Redbubble. Similar to TeePublic, you can find the trending searches on the search bar. Before submitting your artwork to this website, you may visit the top artists for design ideas. Do some research by typing your niche and see what's trending. Copy tags from the products that appear on the first page in the search results. The third website is Spreadshirt. You can get ideas from the best-selling items and make your products similar to those that are displayed on their homepage. Zazzle is the fourth marketplace to sell your artwork. One thing I like about this site is that they have a dedicated section for the trending products. This will always help you plan and design your artworks. The fifth website is Society6. In the Designs Trending Now section on their homepage, you may check their trending designs. I have also uploaded my designs to these websites, but I have never made any sales till now. These websites also have good monthly visits, so you can try them as well. These 3 websites are Teespring, Fine Art America, and Threadless. And you can try Merch by Amazon if you have more than 5,000 followers on your social media. I tried signing up for Merch by Amazon, but my application was rejected. The sign-up is a bit tricky and you have to fulfill several requirements. Merch by Amazon has the most monthly visits and many artists generate good sales here. You must be consistent to be successful in the print-on-demand business. According to my experience, we won't typically start seeing sales until we have more than 50 designs in our storefront. A quick tip: don't forget to post your products on social media. Pinterest is the best platform for driving free, high-quality traffic to your store. So that's it for today's video. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.